Good morning, science students of Middle School East. It is Friday. Good song. So it is Friday. It is the last day of March. It is the last day of the week, and it's our last day before spring break. So a lot of good things coming up here. The weather is we're under a winter storm warning here, but weather's not ideal. But hopefully, everyone is ready to recharge their batteries, rest, have a safe and wonderful spring break, and come back ready to finish strong. So, first things first, we'll have the Ed puzzle. So, if you are at home and you want to tackle the Ed puzzle, please do so. That is posted in Google Classroom. You can tackle that. Today, we'll kind of wrap up seasons. And yesterday, we had kind of the catch up day with the foldable and the study guide and all that stuff. Today, we're going to do the seasons cut paste and then kind of wrap up seasons. So I can explain what causes Earth seasons is our goal and focus today. A little Tim and Moby to kick us off, talking about solstices and equinoxes. And then we'll open up our books and we'll take a look at page 146, 147. Now remember, I talked about if you don't have your book, how you can get to the textbook. You could go to Google Classroom. Underneath classwork, there's going to be a link, Think Central, for the book. You can click that link, type in 146, boom, you have these pages. And what we're going to do is there's going to be two things linked below the video. It is essentially going to be a seasons cut and paste, which is exactly how it sounds. You're going to take these things, you're going to cut out these 4, 8, 12 boxes, and you're going to put them where they belong. So in other words, you can see where I have the arrow, excuse me, not angle, arrow. So B, what season is it for B? And when we're looking at seasons, we're focusing on the northern hemisphere. So in other words, the sun is shining directly at the northern hemisphere. That would be winter for the southern, but we're going to say that is summer. So we're doing this seasons diagram as if it is for us. For us, the northern hemisphere, St. Michael, for you. How does this season diagram work? So you can see the sun is focused on the northern hemisphere, the sun is focused on the equator, the sun is focused on the southern hemisphere, the sun is focused on the equator. Now, A and C look very similar because the sun is both focused on the equator. Well, you got to look here. So what season would it be here? And then what season happens after that? So in other words, sun is focused on the northern hemisphere. That would be our summer. What happens after summer? What season? Oh, that's fall. Then after fall, we have winter. Then after winter, we have spring. So here is where we are. Here's where we are last, Monday was the first day of spring. So here's where we were last Monday. So you'll cut out start of spring, start of summer, cut out these boxes, cut out these boxes, and these boxes. You'll see that they're all different shapes and sizes. Those shapes and sizes correspond to the shapes and sizes of the worksheet here. So that is what we will focus on. 15 minutes to get that cut and pasted, and then we'll go through some of the answers. And that's kind of the biggest thing for today, the Ed puzzle, the seasons cut paste, and that will wrap things up. Have an amazing and wonderful spring break. Have a great Friday. Um, March is going out like a lion, and with our winter storm warning that we have today. So if you're on the roads today, be safe, um, be careful, and then start that spring break on the right foot. Nothing that you need to worry about for science. Have fun, be safe, be kind, and I'll see you April 10th. April 10th. Yes, April 10th. Take care.